शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ओम संस्कृत भारती डैलस पक्षतः रामायण कथाश्रवणाय स्वागतम्। अद्य कथायाः रामायण कथायाः श्रवणात् प्राक् एकां लघु वार्तां श्रावयिष्यामि। Just wanted to tell a small news. लघु वार्ता इत्युक्ते small news. लघु वार्ताम् अहं श्रावयिष्यामि। का वार्ता इत्युक्ते बराक ओबामा महाशयस्य नूतनं पुस्तकम् आगतम्। नूतनं पुस्तकं श्रुतवन्तः वा? बराक ओबामा महाशयस्य नूतनं पुस्तकं द प्रॉमिस्ड लैंड इति। तत्र ओबामा महाशयेन लिखितमस्ति। तस्य बाल्यम् इंडोनेशिया देशे यापितमासीत्। तस्य बाल्यं he spent his childhood in Indonesia and तत्र रामायणस्य महाभारतस्य महान् प्रभावः वर्तते। In that Indonesia there is a great influence of Ramayana and Mahabharata. अद्यापि even अधुनापि बैले रूपेण प्रदर्शयन्ति रामायण कथाः महाभारत कथाः बैले रूपेण प्रदर्शयन्ति। एवं तत्र महान् प्रभावः वर्तते। तान् कथान् सर्वान् श्रुत्वा अहं तत्र वर्धितवान् इति तत्र बाल्यं यापितवान् इति सः लिखति। I was listening to all those stories रामायण महाभारत। सः लिखति अपि रामायण कथाश्रवणे रामायण पठनेन महाभारतस्य पठनेन बुद्धेः विकासः जायते इत्यपि बुद्धेः विकासः भवति इत्यपि बराक ओबामा लिखति। एतां वार्तां भवद्भ्यो श्रावयितुम् अयम् उपोद्घातः कृतः। I just wanted to share this news with you. Only a few days ago that book was released, and that study of Ramayana and Mahabharata gives that maturity of mind. Loke katham vyavaharaniyah, katham how you have to say deal with the world in various situations. All that thing, it gives the maturity of mind. Evam likhati. Evam इदानीं कथाम् अनुसरामः। कथायां गतसप्ताहे कियत् पर्यन्तम् आगतवन्तः? गतसप्ताहे जटायोः मरणपर्यन्तं जटायोः मरणपर्यन्तं रावणः आकाशमार्गे वनानि सरितः अतीत्य लङ्कां प्राप्तवान्। तर्जनैः सान्त्वैश्च वशम् आनयन्तु। केचन काश्चित् राक्षसाः सीतां तर्जयन्ति, काश्चित् राक्षसाः सीतां सान्त्वयितुं प्रवर्तन्ते। ओ सीता अस्माकं वचनं श्रोष्यति इति सान्त्वयितुम् इच्छन्ति। सो दट् इस् अ गुड कॉप बैड कॉप इति उक्त्वा रावणः गतवान्। तावत्पर्यन्तम् अस्माभिः पठितम्। इदानीं कथां दर्शयिष्यामि। इदानीं सर्च फॉर सीता। सीता अपहृता, सीता रावणेन अपहृता। किं करणीयम् इदानीं? तस्याः वार्ता ज्ञातव्या, कुत्र गता इति ज्ञातव्या खलु। अतः अन्वेषणं करणीयं। रामेण लक्ष्मणेन च अन्वेषणं करणीयं। सो रामः किं चिन्तयति? रामः एवं चिन्तयति, मारीचः मम स्वरम् आलम्ब्य उच्चैः आक्रन्दितवान्। मम स्वरम् आलम्ब्य by mimicking my voice. Alambanam is taking up my voice, imitating my voice. Uchaihi means loudly. Akranditavan, he just mourned. But the time of dying, oh, mourning, vatate kalu. Akranditavan. Sita Shrutavati Syat. Probably Sita heard it. Shrutavati Syat. Syat ityukte, probably, perhaps. Sa prayaha Lakshmanam preshayet. Prayaha also means probably. She will probably send Lakshmanam preshayet. She would send. Janasthane rakshasaha bhavaha santi. Atra Janasthane te kutra vasanti idanim. Te sarvepi idanim Janasthane santi khalu. Janasthane rakshasaha bhavaha santi. Sita kshemena vartateva. Vinashtava. Rakshasaihi bhakshitava. Iti bahudha chintayan. Shemena vartateva. Is she safe? Is she staying safely? Vinashtava. Or is she died? Or Rakshasaihi bhakshitava. Has she been eaten by Rakshasas? Iti bahudha chintayan. So many ways he was thinking. Ashramam prati nyavartat. Ashramam prati nyavartat means he returned. He started back to the ashrama. Marge khinnamukah Sitaya preshitah Lakshmanah militah. Marge. When Rama was returning, Marge means on that route, en route. Kim dushtavan khinnamukah. Lakshmana was coming with a sad face. Khedah ityukte dukkah. Khinna ityukte dukkena puritah. Khinnamukah. That is, he was having that khinnamukam. That is, he was having a sad face. Sitaya preshitah Lakshmanah militah. Lakshmana was seen. Katham Sitam Tyaktva Agatah iti Ramah pruchat. How did you come leaving Sita? Katham Sitam Tyaktva Agatah. Lakshmana sarvam nyavedayat. Lakshmana had to tell the whole story. What all had happened. How Sita said, oh, tvam mam praptamishasi, tvam prachanna shatruhu iti Sita uktavati kalu. You are looking like a friend. Prachanna shatruhu. You are our enemy. You see, tvam mam praptamishasi bhavataha bhratuhu kshemam nechasi. You don't want the welfare of your brother. Ityevam sarvam uktavati kalu. Tat sarvam nyavedayat. Ramaha ativa dukkitah sanna vadat. He was very, very sad. Asamshayam Sita rakshasaihi apahuta. Asamshayam means samshayaha ityukte doubt. Asamshayam means without doubt. Sita rakshasaihi apahuta. Sita has been abducted by Rakshasa, surely. And Rama's guess is quite right. Rama has Lakshmanam prati vadati. Katham Sitam tyaktva agatavan. Sita kruddha bhutva yatkimapi vaktum shaknoti. And striyaha vachanam shrutva tvam agatah. Striyaha kadachit krodhe agachanti. Women, sometimes they become very angry. Tada purushaihi kim karaniyam tushnim statavyam iti Ramah vadati tatra. Striyaha vachanam shrutva. Striyasya vachanam shrutva. That is, kada striyaha krodhe agachanti. Tada bhartra kim karaniyam ityukte tushnim statavyam. Tushnim tishtati chet sukham bhavati iti. Shantena manasa kinchit chintitavyam iti. So, evam vadati Ramah ativa dukkitah sanna vadat asamshayam Sita rakshasaihi apahuta. Oh, she has been abducted. Tav yada ashramam praptavantau. When they reached the ashrama, ashramaha shunyaha asit. Shunya means ashrama was empty. There was nobody. Shunyaha asit. Ashrame parnashalayam vastuni. Itas tatah patitani asan. Parnashalayam ityukte Parnashala ityukte that small thatched house. You know what is a thatched house? They get some leaves and then they just cover it. They don't have a concrete roof like us. Parnashalayam vastuni itas tatah patitani asan. All those articles were scattered here and there because there was some struggle. Sita rakshasaihi hrata iti nishchayaha jataha. Sita has been abducted by Rakshasas. We don't know how many Rakshasas because they just don't know. Rakshasaihi hrata. She has been abducted by Rakshasa. Iti nishchayaha. Nishchayaha means finally they determined. This nishchaya is determination. Shokena Ramaha vruksham girehe girim dhavan. So he ran from tree to tree. Vrukshat vruksham. Girehe girim, from hill to hill. Dhavan sarvatra Sitayah krute anvishya. Sarvatra. So just looking around here, everywhere, Sitam apashyan arodit. So without seeing Sita, he cried out. He Kadamba, tvam Sitam dushtavan kim. So Rama pruchati, he Kadamba Ruksha. He is asking tree. Tree cannot speak, but then he is asking to, because he is so overwhelmed by grief. So overwhelmed by grief and also love for Sita, that tvam Sitam dushtavan kim. Hey Harini. Harini is that female deer. Tava sakhi Sita tvaya drushta kim. Tava sakhi. Oh, your friend Sita. Did you see her? Tava sakhi Sita tvaya drushta kim. Hey Godavari. Oh, river. Api Sita drushta tvaya. Have you seen there Godavariyah tire santi khalu? Godavariyah tire eva aranya vasanti te. So api Sita drushta tvaya. Iti bhrantaha iva. Bhrantaha means as though some sort of under delusion. Bhrantaha iva sarvan pruchan. He was asking everybody. And arodit. Arodit means he just cried. So you see, oh Kadamba tree, did you see Sita? Oh dear, did you see your friend Sita? You asked all like a deluded person. So evam भ्रान्तः इव इदानीम् अत्र किं पश्यामः इत्युक्ते प्रेम्णा अतीव दुःखितः आसीत् रामः अत एव जन्तुः किमपि वक्तुं न शक्नोति वृक्षः किमपि वक्तुं न शक्नोति गोदावरी अपि किमपि वक्तुं न शक्नोति तथापि तान् सर्वान् पृष्टवान् एतद् विषयमेव स्वीकृत्य पश्चात्काले इत्युक्ते अट ए लेटर डेट कालिदासः मेघसन्देश नाम काव्यं लिखितवान् मेघसन्देश नाम काव्ये किं भवति कश्चित् यक्षः मेघद्वारा सन्देशं प्रेषयति प्रियायै सन्देशं प्रेषयति so he conveys a message through the cloud you must have heard about what is called cloud messenger रावणः वाल्मीकिम् अनुसृत्य एव कालिदासः तत् लिखितवान् वाल्मीकिम् अनुसृत्य कालिदास was a great follower of वाल्मीकि so सर्वे कवयः अपि अनन्तरकालीनाः अनेके कवयः वाल्मीकिम् अनुसृतवन्तः they all imitated they all followed Valmiki's style अनन्तरं किं लक्ष्मणः रामस्य आश्वासनम् अकरोत् लक्ष्मण whenever Rama is in grief अहं तु उक्तवान् खलु यदा यदा रामः दुःखितः भवति तदा तदा लक्ष्मणः तस्य आश्वासनं करोति ओ एवं चिन्तां मा कुरु त्वं तु इक्ष्वाकु राजा इक्ष्वाकु वंशस्य इक्ष्वाकु ऋषभः श्रेष्ठः इति महाबाहो means oh you are a strong man avam yatnam karishyavah we will try both of us will try yatnam karishye yatnam means prayatnam iti vadamah khalu yatnam ityukte attempt we will try tau vanani girinscha saramsi vichinvantau tau dvapi vanani forests nearby hillocks saramsi lakes everywhere vichinvantau they searched chinoti means प्राप्नोति search इत्यपि अर्थः विचिन्वन्तौ रामः शोकेन पीड्यमानः आसीत् he was so tormented by grief पीड्यमानः पीडनम् इत्युक्ते tormented पीड्यमानः means he was being tormented by grief he was getting tormented by grief गोदावर्याः तीरे सर्वत्र अन्वेषमाणौ विचरतः स्म and on the banks of Godavari they were just looking around anveshamanau they were looking everywhere all around and then they were just moving around mrugaha ramasya mukham pashyantah punah dakshinam disham pashyantah mrugaha api सीतायाः सख्यः खलु तत्र सीतायाः सखी काचित् नास्ति तत्र अरण्ये सीतायाः सखी नास्ति मृगैः सह एव हरिणैः सह एव सा क्रीडितवती So she was just playing with all these deer. So all these deer who were friends of Sita, they're just looking at Rama's face and also looking at the southern direction and also looking into the sky. Ramasya mukham pasyantah. Punah dakshinam disham pasyantah. They looked at Rama, they looked at the Dashina dishi, that is southern direction, also looked at the sky. Akasham darshayanti sma. So desham ingitam gyatva. So the Rama, they just saw its gestures, its bodily movements. Ingitam gyatva. Rama Lakshmana Dashinam Dishikatavantau. Oh, something has happened. We have to go in the southern direction. So they thought, they started investigating. Anveshanam ityukte investigation. Like the police detectives. They started like detectives. Dakshinam Dishikatavantau. Marge Sitayaha Sharirat Patitani Pushpani Dushtani. And then there's some at a small distance, some flowers which Sita was wearing. So those were they were found scattered. Kinchit dure bhumau rakshasasya padachinhani. Bhumau rakshasasya padachinhani. They saw the footprints, big footprints. Rakshasas have very big feet, so big footprints. And Sitayaha padachinhani cha dushtani. Sita small footprints. Sita Atmanam Mochayitum Itastatah Dhavitavati. So she wanted to free herself. She was just struggling to free herself. Atmanam Mochayitum means just trying to free herself. Itastatah Dhavitavati. She was just running here and there. Iti Ada Chinhani Društva Jnatavantau. They just put this, they surmised it or they just guessed it by seeing the footprints. Then अनन्तरं किं जातम् अग्रे भग्नरथस्य शकलाः दृष्टाः अग्रे a little ahead किं दृष्टं भग्नरथस्य शकलाः रथ इत्युक्ते chariot भग्नरथ इत्युक्ते broken chariot शकलाः शकला इत्युक्ते piece सकला is different शकला is different सकला इत्युक्ते all सकलं जगत् शकलाः इत्युक्ते pieces सकलं जगत् रोटिका शकलाः एवं शकलाः pieces शकलाः दृष्टाः बहवः रक्तबिन्दवः दृष्टाः they saw a lot of blood also some many blood drops सीता राक्षसैः भक्षिता स्यात् इति शङ्का जाता oh probably Sita has been eaten by rakshasas and समीपे एव भग्नं महत् धनुः काञ्चन कवचं च दृष्टे because there was a fight जटायु रावणयोर्मध्ये युद्धं जातं खलु जटायु रावणयोर्मध्ये भीकरं युद्धं जातं तत्र जटायुः अपि बलवान् रावणस्य तस्य नखैः चञ्चुना सह तं अतीव तस्याः शोल्डर्स् अपि कर्तितवान् खलु एवं समीपे एव भग्नं महत् धनुः भग्नं धनुः मीन्स् ए ब्रोकन् बौ and काञ्चनं कवचं gold what is this gold armor रावणस्य gold armor आसीत् खलु तत् सीतायाः कृते महत् युद्धं जातमिति तौ ज्ञातवन्तौ oh there was probably a fight between two rakshasas they thought so a fight it can only be between two rakshasas महत् युद्धं जातमिति तौ ज्ञातवन्तौ then रामः महता शोकेन आविष्टः she was filled with great grief shoka is grief lakshmanah tam ashvasitavan again lakshmana consoled him tried to console him praptam dukkham yadi bhavan na sahishyase tarhi prakrutah itarah katham sahishyati if you can't bear this grief how can an ordinary man bear grief praptam dukkham yada praptam bhavati यदि भवादृशः न सहिष्यते you are a great man you are such a great king you know all dharma you know what to do यदि भवान् न सहिष्यते if you cannot bear it धीरः पुरुषः कदापि विकारं न प्राप्नोति यः कश्चित् धीरः पुरुषः वर्तते धीरः कदापि विकारं न प्राप्नोति यः कश्चित् वा यत्किमपि वा भवतु so a bold person should never get distracted by anything so एवं यदि भवान् न सहिष्यते सहिष्यसे not भवान् सहिष्यते इति न सहिष्यते इति भवितव्यं यदि त्वं न सहिष्यसे I will correct it anyway तर्हि प्राकृतः इतरः कथं सहिष्यति प्राकृतः इतरः प्राकृतजनः कथं सहिष्यति how can any ordinary man tolerate or bear it त्वद्विधाः लोके न शोचन्ति त्वद्विधाः people like you लोके न शोचन्ति they don't grieve they don't अर्जुनं प्रति कृष्णः अपि एवमेव वदति खलु न शोकः न करणीयः इति वदति अशोच्यानन्वशोचस्त्वम् इति वदति अत्र विषयः अन्यः परन्तु धीरः पुरुषाः कदापि शोकं न गच्छन्ति इति शोकवशं न गच्छन्ति पुरुषप्रयत्नेन कार्याणि सिद्ध्यन्ति पुरुषप्रयत्नेन we have to make some human effort there should be human endeavor पुरुषप्रयत्नेन कार्याणि सिद्ध्यन्ति त्वं इक्ष्वाकु वृषभः वृषभ means what is the meaning of वृषभ ordinary meaning of वृषभ is bull it does not mean he was a bull in a china shop त्वं इक्ष्वाकु वृषभः इत्युक्ते इक्ष्वाकु वंशे श्रेष्ठः इति वृषभ शब्दः श्रेष्ठवाचकः इत्युक्ते उच्यते वृषभः राजपुङ्गवः राजवृषभः कविवृषभः त्वं छात्र वृषभः if you are a good student you are a छात्र वृषभः you are a bull among students एव छात्र वृषभः आत्मनः पराक्रमं ज्ञात्वा चिन्तां त्यज you realize your parakrama don't forget your parakrama you are capable of getting back atmanah parakramam jnatva chintam tyaja just give up your chinta just give up your grief iti avadat then saragrahi ramah lakshmana vachanam svikrutavan ramah is also a person who realizes immediately momentarily he was so totally he felt deluded but again he realized immediately सारग्राही रामः लक्ष्मणवचनं स्वीकृतवान् सारग्राही शब्दस्य आङ्ग्लभाषायां किं वक्तव्यम् इति न ज्ञातम् अतः I have used a big word without I don't know what word correct word has to be used सारग्राही one सारं गृह्णाति इति सारग्राही if you tell something I grasp it immediately सारग्राही Saram grunhati. I take the essence. Immediately he catches the essence. Perspicacious, I have used a better big word. Suddenly it came. Saragrahi Ramaha Lakshmana Vachanam Svikrutavan. He accepted. Rama Lakshmanavu Punaha Anveshanam Arabdhavantau. Again they started looking around. Durat eva Jatayu Dushtaha. At a distance, Jatayu was there on the ground. Deenaya Vacha Jatayu Avadat. Prathamam Te Chintitavantaha. Natau Chintitavantau. Ayameva Jatayu Sitam Bachitavati Tito Rama Chintitavan. Because Rama is in such great grief. So Rama thinks, oh, this Jatayu has killed. So he takes out a sword and runs. So the Deenaya Vacha Jatayu Avadat. At that time, Jatayu tells, Sitam Mama Sitaha Mama Pranascha Ravanena Hrutaha. Sita api Ravanena Hruta. Mama Pranaha cha Ravanena Hrutaha. Ravana has taken away my life and also Sita. That's how he says. Mama Pranaha and also Sita. Ravanena Hrutaha. Yuddhe maya Ravanasya Rathaha Vidvamsitaha. There was a fight between me and Ravana. Ravanasya Rathaha Tatra Vidvamsitaha. Vidvamsitaha means it was destroyed. It was destroyed by me. Ravana Abhidharani Tale Patitaha. He also, Ravana also, he was made to fall on the ground. Abhidharani Tale Patitaha means made to fall on the ground. Patitaha means fell. Ravana fell. Ravana Patitaha he fell. Patitaha means he was made to fall on the ground. That means I threw him on the ground. Aham Vruddhaha Parishrantaha. I am old and also tired. Vruddhaha Parishrantaha. Ataha Ravanaha Mama Patshav Kartitum Shaktaha Bhavat. So that is how he was able to cut my wings. Ravanaha Mama Patshav Kartitum. Kartanam means cutting. Kartitum Shaktaha Bhavat. So he was able to cut my able to cut my wings, sever my wings. Then Ramaha Jatayum Alingya. So he hugged Jatayu and Bhumau Apatat. He just fell on the ground. Lakshmanena Saha Aroditsya. Along with Lakshmana, he just cried. Ramaha api kada kada rodanam karoti tatra Ramayane. Samanya Janaha iva Ramaha api roditi. Rama also cries. So that is why we have to read Ramayana. How a brave person like Rama faced all these troubles. Manusyavat eva acharitva sarvan dukhan tatra dukhanam sahanam kutava eva. Vruddhaha Jatayuhu Mriyamanaha asit. That old Jatayu Mriyamanaha. It was dying, in the process of dying. Mriyamanaha. It was just dying. Hina Swarena. Hina Swarena means with very weak voice. Hina Swara. A dying person. How does he speak? He can't speak loudly. Very low voice. He said, Ravanaha Rakshasanam Raja. Ravana is the king of Rakshasas. Kuberasya Bhrata, the brother of Kubera. Sitam Svikurtya. Akasha Marge Katavan. He has taken Sita and gone in the Akasha Marga. That he just flew into the air. Iti Vadan Jatayuhu Pranan Amunchat. So he gave up his life. Then Mama Heto Jatayuhu Mrutaha iti Ramaha Dukkhitaha Bhavat. Oh, because of me, for my cause, he died. Jatayuhu Mrutaha iti Ramaha Dukkhitaha Bhavat. Jatayuhu Dasharathasya Mitram. Jatayu was friend of Dasharathasya Mitram. Ityataha means for that reason. Raja Dasharathaha Yatha Pujyaha. Raja Dasharathaha Yatha Pujyaha. Just as Raja Dasharatha was very respectable. Yatha Raja Dasharathaha Pujya. Pujyaha means Pujaniyaha. To be respected person. Tatha Ayam Pujaniyaha. Likewise, Ayam Pujaniyaha. Ayam Jatayuhu api Pujaniyaha iti Mahata Adarena. With great love. Mahata Adarena. With great respect, not love, affection. With great respect rather. With great respect. Jatayuhu Dahana Samskaram Akarot. Dahana Samskaram. He performed the funeral ceremonies. Dahana Samskaram. Dahanam api Samskaram iti kachyate. When you are burning the body, tadapi samskaram eva. Saha api samskaraha eva. Samskara ityukte purification. Iti vadamah kalu. Samskaraha. Samyak kritam. Samskrutam iti. Samskaraha. Samskrutaha. Samskaraha iti. Evam samskaram ityukte kitam katham यदि वेदमन्त्रैः सह संस्कारः क्रियते तदा सः स्वर्गं गच्छति इति विश्वासः अस्माकं धर्मे विश्वासः अस्ति। यः कश्चित् म्रियते चेत् तदा वेदमन्त्रैः सह यदि दहनं कुर्मः चेत् सः स्वर्गं गच्छति, उत्तमलोकान् गच्छति इति तत्र विश्वासः। अतः सः दहनमपि संस्कारः एव। दहनसंस्कारम् अकरोत्। इदानीं कबन्धः गतः। कबन्धः, what is the meaning of kabandha? Normal meaning of kabandha is trunk. Shirah vila nabhavati. Thais, padani api nabhavanti. Kevalam trunk bhavati. Mr. Trunk iti vaktum shaknumah. Kabandha ityukte Mr. Trunk. Evam Rama Lakshmanau Dashinam Disham Prasthitavantau. They started towards Dakshina, in the southern direction, Dashinam Disham. In the Dashina Dishi Prasthitavantau they started. Gahanam Aranyam Pravishtavantav. Gahanam means dense, Gahana. Aranyam Pravishtavantav, they entered a dense jungle. Evam Gamana Samaye, while they were going like that, Gamana Samaye, Aranyam Prabhanjam Iva Mahan Shabdaha Srutaha. Mahan Shabdaha Srutaha means a loud sound. So loud noise, not noise, loud sound was heard. Aranyam Prabhanjan Iva, as though tearing up the forest, as though breaking or tearing up the forest. Mahan Shabdaha Srutaha. So that man, that Rakshasa roared. Purataha means agre, in front. Mahakayaha. Mahakayaha means huge body person. Mahakayaha. Mahan kayaha yasya saha. Mahakayaha ityukte mahan kayaha yasya saha. Mahodaraha. Mahat udaram yasya saha mahodaraha. Mahat udaram. Udaram ityukte belly. Huge belly and huge body. Mahakayaha. Mahodaraha Rakshasaha Drushtaha. He was such somewhat like a sumo, so many times much bigger than a sumo man. Rakshasaha Drushtaha. That Rakshasa, how was he? Rakshasa says Shirahana Asi. You imagine somebody, a trunk only trunk. And of course, the shoulders were there, long hands were given by God. Only long, very long hands. Yojana Paryantam Gachatara. So, Evam, Rakshasa says Shirahana Asi. Udare eva mukha asit. Udare eva. In the stomach, there his mouth was there. Urasi ekam netram asit. On the chest, ekam netram. Only one eye. Ekam netram asit. Udare eva mukha asit. Very easy to eat. Just take and just put it in the stomach. Just take, put it in the stomach. Evam. Evam. Urasi eva ekam netram eva. Netram asit. Ekam netram asit. Tikshnaihi romavihi. Very sharp Roma. Roma means hair, very sharp hair. Saha bhayankaraha asit, very terrible. Simhan, Mrugancha, Bhakshayan asit. He was eating just with long hands, you just catch up. Because he was not able to move. God had given big hands. So whatever came near, he used to catch and then throw them into the stomach. Mrugancha, Bhakshayan asit. Then, Sa Rakshasaha, Vipulau Bhujau Prasarya. Vipulau Bhujau Prasarya. Prasaranam means stretching out. Anga prasaranam. Sometimes when you do exercise, prasaranam, we stretch out our limbs. Vipulau bhujau. Oh,